A testimonial is, my client Bob made $1 million. I'm like, okay, well, I don't even know if Bob's a real person. So they're not believable. And the thing I love about case studies is they're actually useful. They are like a content testimonial. And so if it's useful, then I'll read it. And if it's marketing, I just won't. So what I like about it is a chance to do two things at the same time. It's a chance to teach and a chance to sell in a kind of really kind of interwoven sort of a way. I just like them. I mean, they're super easy to write. They're really useful. People love to see what other people just like them are actually doing and what it looks like in the real world. When I say it's marketing, and when a client says it or does it, it's true because it's a real person. So I don't think that's why. I just like them because you don't have to be all hypey and emotional. They're just like, here's this person. This is their situation. It was hard because of these reasons. Here's the 3 things they did. Here's a bit about how they did it. Here's the result they got. Would you like some help too? It's easy.
It's that easy. A common challenge I get, or when clients come to me, their question is around actually getting their clients to agree to giving case studies. Whether they're too busy, they can't jump on a call, whatever it is. How do you sort of address that? I see for you, like what's been working for you in terms of collecting case studies consistently? Yeah,
so we do something every month in Black Belt, one of our coaching programs, where every month we interview a successful client, someone who's implemented something in a really clever way, or someone who's had a really hard time and popped out the other end. And we're doing it because they're going to share a transformational story, which inspires all of our clients. So it's amazing from an emotional connection. I'm in the right place and these guys, this stuff really works point of view. But they're also really cool for our clients, not for marketing, but for our clients, because they can see how a real person just like them has taken Taki's words and kind of Crayola scribbles and turned them into a real thing. And they'll get to see the nuance and, well, I applied it like this. And it's just really useful. So every month we do one of these interviews. And I'll show you, let me bring it up here. I'll show you the framework we use. Here we go. All right. So this is an old worksheet with old fonts, but I still use it almost every month. So we interview a person, and it's by the way, this is Taki's very long over-explaining way of showing how we get